Hey, this is Jenny Jones, founder of REI Candy and or Real Estate Investment Candy, powered by the Win-Win Consulting Group. Listen, thanks for stopping by my channel. What I want to do is give you an idea of what this channel is about and encourage you to follow me on this channel as I develop content for you. Now, you're going to probably see some videos on this channel already, just based off some of the things that I've been doing already, but I really wanted to take it more serious because I'm really starting to notice all of the bad information and or misinformation that is out on social media and or other networks. What you'll find if you follow this channel, you will find the blueprint of startup information when it comes to real estate investing. There may be some things that you may not want to hear, but I'm going to tell it to you because I just deal in truths. I have been an investment advisor for more than 20 plus years. I've been helping people with their portfolios and or investment portfolios for 2 decades, and I understand finances as much as anyone possible. I have a dual master's degree in accounting and financial management. I also have an undergrad degree in business marketing. So I understand marketing, inbound marketing, outbound marketing. I have different certifications in Facebook and YouTube and all of that. So the reason why I put this channel together, because I wanted to do a collection of all the things that I've learned concerning real estate, concerning investments, and concerning hard money loans, concerning wholesaling, concerning just trying to find investors, trying to find properties. I want to put all those information together. I also started creating different software platforms to kind of help the new beginners out there, just try to give them an idea and a lay of the land. What you're going to see is if you visit our website, REI Candy, you're going to see some of the things that I'm putting together. Anyone that follows this channel and follows it early on, I'm encouraging you to share the information and get your other friends that may be involved, get them involved as well, because I'm going to be giving away probably a lot of my initial software from the early beta users. So you want to try to get in now. I do have a master's degree in computer science as well, so I'm always tinkering with different software platforms, trying to put them together and make life easier for you. So again, thank you for stopping by this channel. You're encouraged to like and or subscribe. I don't do a lot of BS. So you're not going to hear things that tickle your ear. You're going to hear facts, right? And I try to separate facts and fiction, definitely when it comes to real estate investing. There's probably a lot more fiction out there than there are more facts. I want to be on the fact side. So again, thank you for stopping by. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Tune in. I'm going to be dropping a lot of content on this channel. Hope you're doing well. Take care. Goodbye for now.